Is how to fix if Messenger app cannot send photos and videos on iPhone. And if you are also facing such type of issue, Messenger app failed to send video or photo, the first workaround is tap on settings. Here look for Messenger app, tap on it, and you will find the option photos. Tap on it. If you not find photos app from here, try to sending any photos from Messenger app through another phone and it will visible here. So simply any photos select and share it through Messenger. Share it through Messenger, and after that sending photos, the photos option will visible on your setting page. If you have already photos option on your setting page available, then this method does not apply. Simply go to Messenger and tap on photos and enable full access and check whether Messenger app photos or videos sending or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on App Store of your iPhone. Here tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose update all. If you find any update available for your Messenger app, then particular app update. Otherwise choose update all to update all your iPhone app installed in your system and check whether your Messenger error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again tap on settings. Scroll down, go to general settings. Here go to iPhone storage and here look for Messenger app. Tap on it and clear caches. Tap on offload app, choose offload app again and it will clear your Messenger caches and again reinstall app. It will take some time, wait for some times. After reinstalling, check if your Messenger app is working properly or not. If not, go to the next fixes, tap on settings again and tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. Again unlock your iPhone and tap on reset network settings. Your Messenger app error will definitely resolve. That's all.